initially we have to apply the power rule. So I'm going to write directly 16 power 7 by 15 power 7. You all agree with this? Then I have plus. So into 25 power 5 by 24 power 5. Again into 81 power 3 by 80 power 3. Am I correct? That's it. This we have to simplify. But again, the problem is the numbers are very big. So we need very careful simplification. Let us split the numbers. 16 can be written as 4 into 4. Then each will have power 7. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Then each will have power 7. Correct? Into 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Each will have power 5 divided by now 24. This how to split. It is always better to split in more, if possible, it is the prime. So 24 we can write 6 into 4. Okay, but again 3 will come. So can I say 2 into 3 into 4? This is 24, right? Then each will have power 5. 2 power 5, 3 power 5, 4 power 5 into 81 is actually 3 power 4. Okay, but already power 3 is there. So I can directly write 3 power 12 divided by, again coming to 80, 80 is basically 16 into 5 is 80. Okay, but again 16 can be written as 4 into 4. So I'll take 4 into 4 into 5. And all the things will have the power 3. Now just cancel whatever is positive. So let us concentrate in the number 4. Okay, let me write all the power. Here I have 2 powers in the first term. Then where else 4 here and here. So in the numerator if I write, that is 7 plus 7. Okay, this denominator thing will come up as minus 5, minus 3, minus 3. Am I correct? Is this part clear? Then into, let us concentrate on the powers of 5 now. So where and all 5 we have here, here and here. So basically that will be 5 plus 5 minus 7 minus 3. Okay, then into, let us concentrate on the power of 3. That is nothing but 12 minus 7 minus 5. And in the denominator we left with 2 power 5. Isn't it? This 2 power 5. So that we will write it separately, whole divided by 2 power 5. So basically what happens, this whole thing becomes 5 power 0. This is 3 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So we left out only with log 4 power. How much is this? How much is this? The total power of the 4? Yes, 4 cube divided by 2 power 5. Since we very frequently deal with the number, we will be knowing the cube and 2 power 5, which is 64, and this is 32. So it's log 2. That's it. So here the thing is, we need a very careful simplification. We know the rules, but the thing is, we have to apply it properly and get the correct answer. So already some people have given this answer. So I'm happy about that. Log 2 is the answer for this problem.